Welcome to BODYHEAL, where we transform how your body handles stress and trauma through the power of fascia. Imagine a three-dimensional web that interweaves with every muscle, bone, nerve, and organ in your body. This is fascia. It's vital for our movement and structural integrity. When fascia is healthy, it's smooth and flexible, allowing for easy movement. But factors like limited activity, repetitive motions, poor posture, and trauma can cause fascia to thicken and become sticky, leading to painful knots and restricted movement. The BODYHEAL method addresses these issues with techniques like myofascial release, applying sustained pressure to relieve tension and improve mobility. We also incorporate foam rolling, stretching, and posture training to keep your fascia elastic and healthy. By focusing on fascia, BODYHEAL offers a comprehensive approach to alleviating chronic pain and enhancing overall well-being. Discover how targeting fascia can change your life with BODYHEAL. It can transform your fight or flight response into a state of calm and balance. Many people live in constant fight, flight, or freeze modes, bouncing between high-energy stress and dorsal vagal shutdowns. But what if you could break free from this cycle? Our sympathetic nervous system kicks into overdrive in stressful situations, draining our physical, mental, and emotional energy. This high-performance state, though necessary for survival, disconnects us from ourselves and our creativity. BODYHEAL can reduce pain, increase stability, enhanced energy, greater range of motion, and even better sleep. In your usual BODYHEAL class, you will guide it through bodywork using softballs and foam rollers. This isn't your typical exercise class. It's a unique experience focused on releasing stress and trauma trapped in your fascia and connective tissue. The fascia, once overlooked, is now recognized as crucial to resolving chronic pain. Like a web, it covers every part of our body, and new science shows that physical and emotional stress gets trapped here, leading to a host of health issues. Ignoring fascia health can cause dehydration and cellular damage, leading to chronic pain, stiffness, and more serious health problems. But with BODYHEAL, you'll learn self-care techniques to keep pain at bay, giving you control over your healing journey. BODYHEAL is for everyone, regardless of age, sex, or fitness level. Your instructor, with her deep understanding of natural body healing, has helped many, including those with seemingly untreatable conditions. BODYHEAL class promotes healing and alleviates pain from conditions like fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue, POTS, sciatica, autoimmune diseases, physical and emotional trauma, inflammation, anxiety, depression, digestive issues, insomnia, and more. Join BODYHEAL and discover that healing is possible. You are not stuck and your body is not broken.